Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. Today in this video, we are going to see how to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for D2C products. So D2C stands for direct to consumer. So I am running cosmetic products business, and to market my business, I am using Facebook lead ads. And here my objective is that whenever a new lead is received through Facebook lead ads, automatically that lead details would be added into my Google Sheets. For that, I'm simply going to create a connection between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets. Pabbly Connect works on two principles. First is trigger and second is action. Here my trigger application is Facebook lead ads and my action application is Google Sheets. To learn how to do this, let me take you to my screen. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets automatically. So I have a cosmetic products business, and to promote my business I'm running an ad campaign on my Facebook page, and I have also created a lead gen form by using Facebook lead ads. And now I want that whenever a new lead is generated by submitting the form, automatically the details of that lead would be added here in my Google Sheets. For that, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which will help me to automate this entire process. Now to begin with the process, we are first going to search for pabbly.com/connect. And as we do that, here we have reached the landing page of this software. On my right hand side, you can see two options over here, sign in and sign up free. If you are an existing user, then simply click on sign in. But if you are a new user, then please click on this tab sign up free. It won't take more than 2 minutes, and yes, you will also get 100 free tasks every month. So I'm simply going to click on sign in as I'm an existing user. And here we have reached all Pabbly application page. Now let's click on access now for Pabbly Connect. And here we have reached the dashboard of this application, and if you want to create a new folder, then simply click on this icon and create a new folder. As I want to create a new folder for my new workflow, so I'm simply going to click on this. And here a dialog box has appeared which is asking us to name the folder. So I'm going to name my folder as Facebook leads to Google Sheets. Let's click on create. And as you can see over here, we have successfully created a folder named as Facebook leads to Google Sheets. Again on my right hand side, you can see a tab named as create workflow. Let's click on this. And here a dialog box has appeared which is asking us to name the workflow. So I'm going to name my workflow as Facebook leads to Google Sheets for D2C products, and where D2C stands for direct to consumer. And as you can see over here, I've selected the folder named as Facebook leads to Google Sheets, which I've created just now. By clicking on this drop down over here, you will find all the folders which you have created earlier. Now let's click on create. So as we do that, here we have reached another window which has got us to extremely important events. First is trigger and second is action. Trigger is when this happens and action is do this. Basically, action here is the response of a trigger application. Now, my trigger application is going to be Facebook lead ads. Let's click on this. Now we have to select our trigger event. This is the event which will make your workflow start. Let's click on this. And here you will find two options, new lead instant and new lead. I'm simply going to click on new lead instant, and it says triggers when a new lead is submitted in specified lead gen form associated to your Facebook page. Let's select this. And after that, click on connect. Now to connect our Facebook lead ads account with our Pabbly Connect account, we need to set up a connection. For that, I'm going to select add new connection. But if you have an existing connection, please select existing connection. After that, click on connect with Facebook lead ads. Select your account. And here we have successfully connected our Facebook lead ads account with our Pabbly Connect account. Now we have to select our page, and it says that please select a Facebook page. If you don't see your page listed, access your account settings to confirm that the connected account has the correct manage page permissions, and then reconnect your account. Let's click on this, and I have named my Facebook page as Regal Radiance. Let's search for Regal Radiance. And here it is. Let's select this. So as I have selected my Facebook page, now we have to select a lead gen form. This is the form which is used to generate the lead. And it says select lead ads form here. Please ensure that your lead ads form is live, else you might not receive the lead data correctly. Let's click on this. And I have named my lead gen form as lead gen form. And as you can see over here, there is an important note. Please note that after clicking the Save and Send Test button, you will need to generate a sample submission of your lead ads form by clicking on the Preview Form button and filling out the form. Make sure that the lead generation form is live before making the sample submission, which means after clicking on the Save and Send Test Request button, we need to generate a sample submission or a test submission. Now let's click on Save and Send Test Request. And now it says waiting for webhook response, and there is a note again. Now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. And for that, we are going to search for Meta for Developers. After searching for Meta for Developers, click on this first link over here, or you can directly search for developers.facebook.com. I'm going to click on this. And this is Meta for Developers page. Now click on More and then go to Tools. After that, scroll it down and you will find Lead Ads R2 Debug tool. Make sure your API or CRM integration is set up correctly and receiving data. Let's click on this. And this is Lead Ads Testing tool. Use this tool to test your API or CRM integration. You can create a test lead to confirm that your integration is set up to receive data correctly. And to do a test submission, we have to select our page in the form name. Let's click on this. Now before clicking on this preview form, let's read this. You can create one lead per form. You will need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. So in order to create a new lead, we need to delete our existing leads. But as of now, I do not have any lead. So I'm simply going to click on this preview form. And this is the form which I have created. Now I'm simply going to fill all the dummy details over here. After that, click on Next and then Submit. And it says your test lead has been sent. To create a new lead, please delete this one. Now let's go back to our Pabbly Connect account and check whether we have received a response or not. And as you can see over here, we have successfully received our response. Full name is Smart User, email address is smartuser@pabblydudes.com, and the phone number is this, which means we have successfully set up a trigger application. Now my action application is going to be Google Sheets. Let's click on this. And here we have to select an action event. Let's click on this. And you will find various action events over here, but I'm simply going to select add a new row, as I want to add a new row in my Google Sheets. After that, click on Connect. And now to connect our Google Sheets account with our Pabbly Connect account, we need to set up a connection. For that, I'm simply going to select Add New Connection, but if you have an existing connection, please select Existing Connection. And then click on Sign In with Google. And then select your account and allow all the authentications. And we have successfully connected our Google Sheets account with our Pabbly Connect account. Now we have to select a spreadsheet, and it says you can choose or map your spreadsheet ID here. Let's click on this, and I have named my spreadsheet as Leads Record, as you can see over here. So as I have selected my spreadsheet, and because I have a single sheet only, so it would be selected automatically. And as soon as the sheet would be selected, here whatever the columns I have created, it will be fetched and visible as fields. As you can see, name, email and the phone number, and I have created the same column in my Google Sheets, name, email and the phone number. And now to enter all these details, I am going to use a method called as mapping. Basically, mapping means to insert the data from the previous steps. And whatever the details we are mapping will get replaced automatically when our automation will work in real time. Let's click on this and map all the details. Go to Facebook lead ads, and the full name is Smart User. The email address is smartuser@pabblydudes.com, and the phone number is this. After that, click on Save and Send Test Request. And as you can see over here, we have received a positive response over here. Now let's go back to our Google Sheets and check whether we have added a new row or not. And as you can see over here, we have successfully added a new row in our Google Sheets. Now let's go back to a lead ads testing tool and check this automation in real time. Now in order to create a new lead, we have to delete our existing lead. For that, I'm simply going to click on this delete lead. And now it says your lead has been deleted. After that, refresh this page once, which is a necessary step, and select a page in the form name again. Click on Preview Form and enter all the details. Click on Next and then Submit. And here our lead has been sent. Now let's go back to our Google Sheets and check whether we have added a new row or not. And here we have added another new row successfully, which means we have successfully connected our Facebook lead ads account with our Google Sheets. Now let's go back to our Pabbly Connect account. We have successfully set up our trigger and action application, and it was a successful workflow. So let's summarize this quickly. Your trigger application is Facebook lead ads, and my trigger event is new lead instant. Your action application is Google Sheets, and my action event is add new row. And if you also want to add all the lead details into your Google Sheets whenever a new lead is generated through Facebook lead ads, then simply follow this two-step workflow. Hope this video was a helpful one. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can also integrate many other applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, please reach out to us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any queries, please reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, please reach out to us at this website. If you find this video helpful in any way, please do not forget to share this video with your friends. And also please like our video and subscribe to our channel to learn more such automations.